Home, a story of who we are, where our walls reflect the light of happiness, where every room holds special memories, where the windows are the gateway to opportunities. Let's make this home our sanctuary, our safe space, our abode.
Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I am an interior designer. This channel is a platform for me to showcase my interior designing projects, makeovers and transformations of spaces that I have done, and share with all of you different design and decor ideas which you can implement in your homes. Today is the part 2 of a new series that I have started on this channel. After a lot of deliberation, I decided to show you and take you inside my home. So this is the second video of the series, My Minimal, Hygge and Sustainable Home. The first video that I showed you was of my living and dining area. Today I will be taking you to my guest room. As I will say in every video in this series, my house is very minimal and I have only kept a very few decor products, or I have decorated it in a very minimal way, but that is my style of design. Though in this room, the guest room, I can say that this is the place where you will see the most amount of cluttered areas, which I'll show you as we go along. So let's begin the tour. This is the view of my guest room. So just like the entire house, I've kept it very minimal, but I like this room is more of a very rugged country farmhouse vibe. So let me take you closer and show you everything one at a time. So this is the bed. The headboard of the bed is made out of an old door that we salvaged. And I have two side tables on both sides of the bed with mirrors on top. And of course the lights, which are again very country farmhouse. On the other side I have the wardrobe and a small chest of drawer, and this is my study table. Well, this is my study table or work table at the moment. Again, the laminates and everything is very what I've used is very rugged here. So this is a closer view of how the wardrobe, and so if you see that there are trims, wooden trims added to the wardrobe, to the front paneling of the wardrobe, to the shelves here. And this is that part of my house where I actually display whatever I have collected. So you'll see a lot of little artifacts that I've collected over my travels, some of our books, and a small tip is to display your books by color blocking, and they look really nice, and I tried it and it really looks nice. Then we have a small chest of drawers here. Again, the handles are metallic, those coupe handles. I didn't want to go all white, so I've used some wood here. This is the study table. Now I've bought in some modern elements like this wired rack here. This is from IKEA, and some shelves. Wanted to give a little variation in the walls through paint. So again, I've added some books on the shelf, a box of trinkets where the guests can keep what they want, some crystals and some plants. So in the front of the bed, I have this chest of drawer, and what I've done is just to put a little small wallpaper right above it. I've just added a tray with some, again, a couple of things that we've collected over travels, and a few things like we've got cards in here and a game, so in case our guests want to just entertain themselves for a short while. That is the door to the washroom. I'll show that to you in a bit. I also have my little puja unit, or a little ledge for the puja over there, and that's the window. It's a floor window, so I could not create seating.
So the guest room primarily is approximately about 9 by 11. So it's a decent sized room. And the theme that I wanted to go ahead here was of course minimal, but I wanted to add a little bit of country farmhouse vibe to this space. So the color theme that I have maintained in this room is again white, a very distressed white, and of course added some wooden elements so that it kind of reflects the farmhouse vibe. And I generally like to keep my bed linen very simple. Here you'll see that the sheet is actually white, but I have a comforter which is very beautifully floral printed, again very farmhouse. And of course I had to add my checks cushions here, so that's how I've reflected some color. So the color reflected in the room is also through this wallpaper. So it's got pink, peach and a little bit of green, and that's the color. These are the colors that I like to kind of keep in the room. Again, to celebrate that colors, I have just added a little patch of color in these two shapes. I had some leftover paint from other projects, and this is just reflecting the green and a little bit of peach. To reinforce the farmhouse element, you'll see that the mirror has a very beautiful, both the mirrors have lovely framing, and this frame it looks like those cane frames. And then I've added these little cane boxes. I've also added a laundry basket in this room because I don't have any other space. So these are mostly for washed laundry, and that's also in cane, and of course it provides a little platform for my laptop bag there. I have upcycled a few things here. So this was an old tray that I had. I just created a cover for it with some jute and lace. I also did the same thing with this lamp here. So it was a very old lamp and was gifted to me, but I didn't want to throw it away. So what we've done is added some jute, those rassi, the coconut rassi fiber, and some lace here. And added a planter there which is also in jute. So yeah, these are all little elements which kind of celebrate the farmhouse look. These plates are one of my favorite elements of the room, and these are so beautiful. I've picked them up from a website called Decor Cart. You can have a look over there. They've got lovely little trinkets of different kind of themes, and this is something that I felt went very well with the farmhouse vibe. So yeah, this is pretty much the few accessories that I've added to this room. I hope you enjoyed taking a sneak peek into my guest room, and even though we cannot invite you over in our house at these times, but this was a virtual invitation for you to come to my house and spend some time with us. I hope you liked the tour. If you were, do let me know what did you like. And this is just the second video. There is my master bedroom, the nursery, the kitchen. There are lots of other rooms which we will be taking you through. So do stay tuned, subscribe to the channel for the same. And if you are looking to redesign your homes, to decorate your homes, to do makeovers and transform certain spaces of your homes, do get in touch with us. All the details how to get in touch with us are mentioned in the description box below. Our website is finally live, and all the Fulcrum products are available on the website now, and we are offering great deals on the websites which you will not find in the physical store or if you message us. So do check out our website. The link is going to be provided in the description box. A lot of the things that I've used in this room, some of them are from Fulcrum and some of them are from different websites, and I will try and link them also below, so that in case you are looking for something similar, you are able to find that. So stay tuned for more videos and coming up for the festive season as well. Till I see you again, happy living.